In this video, I'll be showing you how to send Bitcoin to another wallet from your Coinbase account. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, this can be done on their website on your PC or on the mobile app, so it doesn't actually matter which device you're using, but to start with, you want to go ahead and open up Coinbase. Now, since you're trying to send Bitcoin to another wallet, I'm assuming that you've already got Bitcoin in your wallet in Coinbase, and if you head over to the homepage or the My Assets page, you'll actually be able to see your balance as well as all the coins you own. And as you can see, I do own some Bitcoin, so we're going to try and send this to another wallet. So once you have Coinbase opened and you have your Bitcoin ready, we first need to choose the wallet which we're trying to send the Bitcoin to. So in my case, I'm just going to be showing you how to send it to Binance, but you can use any wallet or exchange of your choice. It doesn't actually matter. Because all we're going to need in order to send our Bitcoin is our Bitcoin address from our other wallet. So if you're trying to send it to another exchange like Binance, for example, what you can do is go ahead and choose to deposit up here on the top right, and you can choose to deposit crypto. So now that we're on this page, we have to select a coin, and since we're trying to send Bitcoin, I'm just going to choose Bitcoin. And from there, you'll have to choose the network in which you're trying to send the Bitcoin on. So you can actually send Bitcoin on different networks, but if you're trying to send it via the Bitcoin network, you do have to choose Bitcoin. You want to make sure you do this correctly, because if you do choose the wrong network, you may end up losing your funds. So I'm just going to choose Bitcoin. And from there, they give us a Bitcoin address which we can copy, and then we can send our Bitcoin to. So I can head back over to Coinbase, and now we want to go up to the top right corner and choose to send and receive. Now, since I've got Bitcoin, we're going to choose to send Bitcoin, and we want to choose in the amount that we want to send. From there, we have to select a recipient. So we can paste in that address that we just got and click this. And as you can see, we are now sending all the Bitcoin that's in our wallet to this Bitcoin address. Now, as I said earlier, you do want to make sure you are sending via the Bitcoin network, as Coinbase doesn't actually allow you to send it via any other network. Some other exchanges might, but for Coinbase, they only allow you to send Bitcoin to Bitcoin addresses. So make sure if you are sending it to an external wallet, that you don't send it to an Ethereum address or anything like that. It has to be a Bitcoin address, or unfortunately the funds will be lost. So make sure you do that correctly. But when you are happy, you can go ahead and click preview send, and then you can confirm the transaction and send that over to your other wallet. So that's how you can send Bitcoin to another wallet from Coinbase. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.